Let's talk about Bitcoin. What's up, guys? You can see it already. Not at the beach, but chilling here with my Bitcoin bull. Lucy's here as well. And yeah, I'm in the office. I just been looking at some older charts on TradingView, and a specific idea that I posted caught my eye. It's a post that I made on the weekly chart where I was talking about the two most likely options for the Bitcoin bottom. And that post was back in February. And believe it or not, both options for the Bitcoin bottom are still in play, and one of them is actually our current support level. Guys, the other option is of course the most logical bottom for the Bitcoin price. But if you have been watching my videos, you might already know what I'm talking about, and if not, make sure to not only like to break that currently really tight resistance, also hit subscribe and the bell to get notified whenever I update on here. Doesn't matter where the market is going, up, down or sideways, every single day. And now guys, I want to go into the chart, but before that, I told you guys yesterday I was celebrating my girlfriend Paulina's birthday, and here, check out this video from beautiful Tarifa. Alright guys, now no more holding back. Let's go look at that chart. Right guys, here you can see my TradingView profile. I'm just sitting on my laptop right now. I can't be bothered to sit down at the desk or anything, but I will go into the charts in a second. I just want to show you the idea real quick. So you see my profile, I go on the name DeFi here, different than Patos Crypto, since I've created this account a while ago. You can see 2 years ago, and that was way before I had any plans to do YouTube. And on TradingView, one really cool thing, that's why I still have this name as well, you cannot delete anything. So if you post an idea of a trade or anything, you post it, you cannot delete it. On Twitter, a lot of people, of course, they post their stuff, and as soon as the price moves the other direction, they delete it again. You can't do that here. Now let's go down to the idea. I just want to show you the idea, and then I open up the chart on my phone and show you much clearer. So here we have the Bitcoin bottom options. Another cool feature, of course, is that you can press the play button. And here, this is the first option 1 for the bottom that I was talking about, this area here. And then this area here as the most logical Bitcoin bottom. And if I just hit the play button right now, you can see we bounced exactly out of that area like I predicted, and we're hanging on to the bottom of that area right now. And then this other area would come into play if we don't find the bounce here. Now guys, you can see it here, the two most logical Bitcoin bottom options. I posted it. Here you can see also February 22nd, and this is 4 months ago. Now I'm going to open up the same chart on my phone, just slightly different for you, clearer to see. And of course guys, this is here the weekly Bitcoin USDT chart. Alright guys, you can see it already. It's the same chart, it's just different colors. I mean, these are the colors that I've been using just to differentiate between the different time frames here for YouTube. But nonetheless, we're still looking at the two circles in the chart. So circle number 1, the most logical bottom for Bitcoin, option 1, of course. This area right around in the 30K to 28K area that we're actually holding on to right now. And keep in mind, I've talked about this back in February. And if you've been following my Telegram group, then you've heard about this back in last year already, in December. I think I spoke about it when we lost the 50-week SMA here. I'll come to that in a second. So now, why is this area here such a strong area to find a bounce? Why was that so easy to predict? Very simple. Look back here. 2021, January, we went to the 65K all-time high. Then in July, we went to the 69K all-time high. So now we have alignment here of this massive ascending channel support here. Sorry guys. You can see coming all the way back from a year and a half ago. And then the 100-week SMA, the green moving average right here. And also right now here where we're sitting on currently, the golden pocket on the Fibonacci retracement coming all the way from March 2020 until the November high 69K last year. And therefore, of course, all these solid indicators aligning on this level, giving us extremely strong support. But now guys, really, we want to look at this circle right here. Of course, all very cool that I've talked about this here on TradingView 4 months ago, and now we're actually still sitting on that level, and that it is very logical support level. But there's one thing that happened which makes it way less likely for the current support level to be the bottom for Bitcoin, and that is because every single time. Guys, the compilation is coming. I promise you, I've said it a million times. Maybe even I'll make a rap video remix out of it. Every single time we went up to a new all-time high and then proceeded to lose the 50-week SMA, the white moving average right here. Every single time that happened, new all-time high, lost the 50-week SMA. We ended up going down all the way down here to the 200-week SMA. And guys, this is the most likely bottom for Bitcoin. Of course, it's a maturing asset, like I said, and this is what we're waiting for. Is this going to happen again, or is Bitcoin changing something in the charts for the very first time? And guys, I'm here to keep my eyes on it, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell to get notified whenever I update. And you know it, every single day, no matter where the market is going, up, down, or sideways. There it was, guys. You could see it. I mean, this was 4 months ago, roughly. So a lot of people have been talking about the 28K to 30K range as the most likely bottom for Bitcoin to bounce out of, since we bounced out of there in July last year, as well as in January last year, where we went to the 65K and the 69K all-time highs. But as you know, guys, I've told you guys a million times before, every time we put in a new all-time high and then went on to lose the 50-week SMA, every single time we went down to the 200-week SMA and the 50-month SMA. So until Bitcoin shows us that this maturing asset is now changing something in the charts, we can expect that to be the most logical Bitcoin bottom once again. All right, guys, as always, thank you to everyone watching all the way until the end. From me and Lucy here right now, you can see she's completely out. As always, happy trading and see you very soon.